Hey, attention affiliate marketers, SEO marketers, local marketers, agency owners, online marketers. If you want more page 1 rankings and more traffic, you're on the right page. New 3-in-1 web app allows you to get fast page 1 rankings that stick for the long term by finding and analyzing profit-producing keywords for you, with pinpoint difficulty scoring. Plus fully exposes your competitors' ranking strategy so you can get free, targeted buyer traffic from Google and YouTube at record speed. Instantly discover high traffic, low competition keywords that you can rank for quickly to get more traffic from Google and YouTube on demand. Every keyword will have its own difficulty score, so you instantly know which keywords are easy and which are hard to rank, for making it effortless to make your decisions. Quickly find. People also search for keywords which are some of the lowest hanging fruit you can target and get really fast rankings with. Let our app suggest even more keywords to you with our built-in keyword suggestion engine. Get a full data analysis of any keyword you'd like and know exactly how easy or hard it'll be to rank for, the search volume, the search trend, the average backlinks that would be needed to rank for it, and a full list of the top 10 organic and/or local rankings. Analyze any domain or any URL and know exactly how many backlinks they have, the exact backlinks they have, the exact anchor text, and more. Get everything you need to rank high and get more free traffic under one single dashboard. Huge bonus, agency license included, so you can get more ranking and more traffic for your clients as well. Ready to get more rankings and more free traffic by having our app pave the way for you at a huge limited time discount? All you need to do is hit the discount button below, normally $127 a month. Unlock the power of Serp Sling agency with our exclusive offer. Click the link in description to get yours. Net yours now before it's gone.